my channel. This is another unboxing. Now today we're doing a Feel Unique unboxing, which isn't a subscription, but you can order it monthly. So it's a sample service which you can order once a month. So if you order it on the 20th, you can't order it until the 21st of next month. It's £3.95, and you can, once you've done that, if you order a normal order, you can have that off the order you do because they give you a code via email. So I've ordered 5, you can order up to 5 items. So I've ordered my 5 items, so here they are. So, and this is, sometimes they come in an envelope, sometimes they come into like a little folder. So this time they've come in a nice little box, so I'm quite intrigued to see how big my samples are. So let's have a little look, shall we? So this one, oh, I'll come around the other side. Oh, they've really sealed this one well. Oh, okay, and it says, I like that little touch, almost there. That's cute. So you have like a little receipt in there. I want it to, oh, I'll say it hasn't got my address on it, that's okay. And it's well packaged. So we'll take that out. So are we nearly there? Can we see what's going on there? Okay, so let's have a look. So this time, so I'll show you first. So this one's called Sampar, and this is a peeling Equibera Musan. Right, that. And now I will read the one in English that I might be able to read to you, because I'm not always good on the ones that are not in English. It's an equalising foam peel. So, and it says granule free peel. So you never know, we might do that one together. So we'll have a little look at that and see a bit behind it. So if it's a bit of a fun foamy thing, we might do a before and an after. We'll have a look at that one. So we'll pop that one back down here. And there's a sleep. And this one says, this works. So I'm oh, this one looks great. So it says, deep sleep pillow spray. Right, let's have a look. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. So cute, look at that tiny little spray. So, shall we have a squirt? Where is the little thing so I don't squirt it in my face? That wouldn't be very good. Oh, that smells very like lavendery, and so what's in there? It says spray onto your pillow before bedtime, and it says, oh, may produce an allergic reaction. So I guess it's something you have to be careful with if you've got sensitivities. So to read the ingredients before. But oh, does it smell nice? That's really nice. Pop that back down. Right. Oh, look at the nice little jar. This one's an Emma Hardy. It says a Moringa cleansing balm, made in England, for Emma Hardy in UK. It's got her website. It's got a little, got a little safety thing on there, and it's like a little balm. So if I have a little feel, and it feels quite oily, and it smells quite medicinal, to be honest. It smells quite nice. I can't, it's one of those smells that I can't put a name on what smell it is, but it smells very nice. So there you go. Is it going to, if I can bring it back, there you go. Oh, and oh, a bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Who doesn't like a bit of Charlotte Tilbury? So there's that one there. A little bit of luxury. Now this one's the Mini Miracle Eye Wand. Dynamic duo of light and light reflecting reflector. So this is a sample. If I can open it up, it's all sealed. And there we go. So it's got 2 little samples in there. And it says here, miraculous two-step remedy for bags and so on. I definitely need that because the whole world is tired. That sounds about right. So there you go. And there's a picture of her before and after. Look, can you see that there? Yep. So there you go. And there is on one is kind of the highlighter, and then there's kind of your corrector on that end. And here's a fun one. I think we've seen these before. I've been looking on the Ipsy, and then in the US, I think this was quite a popular one in Ipsy. And this one's called Luminizer. Now this is quite a cute little sample. Now this is a highlighter, so I'm just going to go and pop that. Oh, and I'll do that the other way. And it's very, 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 very shiny. You can see that shining in there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. Lovely. So all in all, so what we have with this little thing, we have the Luminizer, which is the highlighter. We have the cleansing balm. We have the sleep pillow spray to help us sleep. We have the Charlotte Tilbury the mini sample for the mini wand. And we have the foaming peel, which I think I'm quite excited about that one. I'm looking forward to. So that's that for the Feel Unique. I'm very excited to give these a try. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, and so please do click the button down below, and if you want some notifications, or just down below there. And it's really lovely, and I do appreciate any comment that you want to do. Just feel free to comment below, and I hope you have a happy, healthy day. Take care. Bye bye.